Good morning, everybody. This is your Euro USD setups for today. So, yeah, nothing really significant at the moment. There is this little flag which I'm paying very close attention to at the moment, and then we have a couple of levels which coincide with that flag, and they are 109.322 and 109.093. So what I mean by that is we've rallied up, consolidated flag break. Good practice is to wait for the retest of the flag, which is down in one of these levels, or in between those levels there are a host of other significant tails, and they will be on the 3-hour and the 1-hour as well. So you can see if I just head left here, you'll see what I mean. So a strong level of support all the way down here at 109.093. So that would be a nice one. But look at these tails in between there. So that zone is very, very important. The zone between 109.322 and 109.093. Looking at the oscillator is probably a little bit more downside to come, and if I just move that top line or top diagonal of the flag onto the current high, it becomes a channel, which is very typical. So you wait for support, gives you a higher low, and then you're looking to break this, which then breaks the channel. But anyway, you watch the charts long enough, you start seeing those things. So for me at the moment, let's just get rid of the diagonal. We are sideways, and that is also to be expected. There is data coming out today, so I don't see us doing anything significant until the data is out, and then we'll see what happens. So obviously if the data is well, I suppose you can't really say positive, but so it's all about retail sales and PPI. So short summary is if people are buying stuff, they've got money to spend. The economy is not so bad, but if they're not saving, then that's a bit of an issue. So there's a whole lot of stuff that the people are going to be looking at, but the reality is all that data points to is whether we are going to get interest rate cuts earlier, or are they going to just keep holding on and we're only going to see this next year. So that's kind of the outlook that we're looking for. So depending on which way the wind blows, because data release this week has not gone according to plan, so it could go either way. There's no real call. And then you've got non-farm payrolls, which just throws spanner in the works as well. So for me at the moment, watch 109.322, watch 109.241. Nobody really knows what the hell's going on, so watch those levels. If we do start getting opportunities to buy, in other words, we get price action in this area, that's indicating we need to look at it, which is inside bars, pin bars, or engulfing bars. I would take the trade to the upside. I'm not too keen on shorting at the moment, and take it from there. If you're watching the 15-minute, you'll see yesterday here was your break at 109.322, and you can see there's my tail onto this area here. Not a juicy pin bar, but a little bit of structure anyway, with a bit of a gap up and a move. So there was a long there, but it didn't really, it's really messy, so it's not something, to be honest, that I would have been looking at. But anyway, it is still an opportunity. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. Just pay attention to where we are now. There's a whole host of pin bars here. So 109.422. Yeah, there's nothing else that I can really add here, apart from sit on your hands until the data's out this afternoon, and then have a look at this. This is really not looking like something I want to get involved in just yet. Could actually just turn out to be one big range. So in other words, drop to the bottom here, then back up, and just keep doing this, which is a strong possibility because of what the weekly structure looks like. So yeah, I'm not convinced either way. I'm not convinced we're going to fall. I'm not convinced we're going to move to the upside, and I don't really see an opportunity apart from one of these two levels I've given you for an opportunity to buy, but it's going to be straight up to 109.422 more than likely. Look at the support that'll be, or resistance that'll be there, or it's from here up to 109.598 area. So yeah, so I think wait for the data and then watch these levels. If you start getting price action off the levels, then we're looking to buy. The only time I'm going to be looking to sell is a drop below the low of the week, which is down here on Tuesday. So Tuesday formed the current low. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Completely confused outlook, and will be sitting on the sides. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.